Bonnie, happy Wednesday! So, I have gotten so many requests lately to talk about how I use the Bath and Body Works body cream to polish my furniture. I've been doing this for years and I absolutely love this process because it makes your house smell amazing. So this is a really cool Bath and Body Works hack. I'm also going to talk a little bit about how I clean my bathroom with the foaming sugar scrub. Yes, I do everything with Bath and Body Works. So I discovered this, I don't know how many years ago. I remember I had a fall. It was sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and it was going a little bit bad, and I was like hesitant to throw it out. I'm like, I don't want to throw this out, and I'm like, what can I do with this? So I was cleaning that day, and I thought, I wonder what would happen if I just used this to like wipe down my furniture. So I grabbed a washcloth, I grabbed my sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and I started kind of wiping my furniture with it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, my furniture looks fabulous. And now my entire room smells like sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And ever since then, I've been doing this. So I've found that it only works with the body cream. I don't know if it's the cocoa butter. I don't know if it's the shea butter. I don't know what's in this formula, but for some reason, the cream works the best. The lotion's too thin. The body butter is too thick. And it's funny because I don't like spray-on furniture polish. I have asthma, and it just absolutely it puts me into an asthma attack anytime I use any like harsh chemicals. And you know me, I'm like a germaphobe. I like to clean. I have to be careful even like with, bleach and stuff because that's why I use my foaming scrub, because anything that's like really harsh chemicals sometimes gets to me. So I've never liked like Lemon Pledge at all. I don't like the smell or anything. And I don't have like super expensive furniture. I bought my bedroom set probably, 20 years ago. It's a decent bedroom set. I have one of the sleigh bedroom sets. And I've been using the Bath and Body Works on it for 10 years and it looks great. I usually go to Home Goods and I buy a pack of these really fluffy washcloths. The fluffier, the better. I feel like these are a good like dust picker upper. And they spread around the body cream really good on the furniture. So I'm actually going to show you what I do. So here's one of the furniture pieces that I polish, and it's super simple. So basically I just take about a dime size, quarter size dollop there, and then I start rubbing it in with the washcloth, and I've noticed that it picks up dust. It leaves a little bit of a shine, and it conditions the furniture. And when I'm done, you can definitely smell this throughout the entire room. So I feel like it's kind of a multi-purpose cleaner. Really simple hack. So I basically just grab my washcloth, grab my scent of choice for the day. I walk through the house, and I just literally rub all of my furniture down with the body cream, and then I'm dust free. I'm not spreading dust in the air because I think like the cream kind of picks up the dust on the cloth, and then if your cloth gets too dusty, you can just grab another one. And I feel like I'm not spreading dust in the air as much, which is good when you have allergies. So literally, my entire room then smells like whatever Bath and Body Works body cream I've used. And it's funny because my husband will walk in the room and he'll be like, you just polished furniture, didn't you? And I'm like, yep. Because it does. It leaves like this wonderful, gentle scent. The scent doesn't last, for, more than like, I would say a couple hours. But it really does freshen up a room. I mean, I can just imagine using something like at the beach in the summer. I always use like winter candy apple in the winter because then my house smells like really festive. So like I said, I've been doing this for years. It's something that works for me really well. I suggest, trying it like on a small piece of, furniture to see how your furniture reacts with the body cream. I don't know. I've never had any trouble. Like I said, I don't have really expensive furniture, but I've always had really good luck. I always wipe my shelves down like back here with my washcloth to get my dust off. But it works well on wood. I've never used it like on a plastic item because I think it would be like streaky or something. But I love it. This is like one of my number one ways to clean. And then I also do use, you guys, the foaming sugar scrub. I will use this like in my porcelain sink. So the other day, I just felt like my sink was looking kind of dull. And I don't like to use chemical exfoliant, like chemical, I was gonna say exfoliant. It's more like a facial thing, but like chemical abrasives. Because like I said, they kind of get to me. So what I do is I take like Pretty as a Peach, and then I get one of the like the scrub brushes that you use to clean your bathroom. I just scrub it on. Everything smells like sugar scrub, and it is a nice abrasive. Then I'll usually like spray it down with a little bit of bleach or something after and then leave the room. But then I'm not using like the abrasive chemical though, and I'm not in the room with it very long. So like I said, I'll use the sugar foaming exfoliant on the bathtub. I'm exfoliating my bathtub or the sink, and then I'll rinse it all down, and then like I said, I'll spray like like a bleach product on just to kill germs and stuff. But it's worked for years for me. And you know what's nice about this? It's a good way to use up older Bath and Body Works products that you maybe have had for years. And you're like, it still smells good, but I really want to wear something that's a little bit newer and fresher. Polish your furniture with it. It works really well. So anyway, that is my Bath and Body Works hack. I love doing this. Let me know what you think if you tried it. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.